Guys, a round of applause for Cyrus Brocha.
Soham College, Kemcho. Okay, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Shekhar Suman. Tight t-shirts, dyed hair. It's a great honor and privilege to be here. Please sit down and relax. No formalities here. Actually, they wanted a proper professional chief guest, and Hrithik Roshan is here somewhere. But where is he gone? Hrithik. Hrithik Roshan in Gujarat. He's the main chief guest. I'm the sidekick. The recession, so small budget, so I'm there also. Anyway, let's rock, have a good time. It's a contest, and I'm going to spend an hour or two here, and let's all have a good time. All right? All single girls in the front, please.
Guys, this is the more energy, please. Come over here is regarding WSD. Well, the certain aims that they have are to eradicate rabies in Mumbai, to control the stray dog population, to educate the public about rabies prevention, to promote the adoption of stray homeless dogs and animals. And the method to help, if anyone would be interested, would be to adopt a dog from WSD, volunteer with WSD, or otherwise you can donate, check, cash or in kind.
Khuda ke liye, which was our final video, because life was not always a compromise, was disqualified. Again, a very interesting video about the girl. I thought she's going to become a prostitute or a drug addict, but it was totally different. It was all about hope, and she'll try again and again and again. So good positive message at the end. Yeah. See, my mind is so bad here, really. How I think of the negative thing in such a nice, easy, clean video. Okay, so the main point here is that everybody did very well. I think there's so much talent. I feel bad sometimes. I come to colleges which are supposed to be engineering or IT or management or whatever, and there's probably 50% of these guys will make very, very good filmmakers, actors, editors, cameramen. And so I hope that you don't use this as a hobby, but while you work in whatever job you get, you try to do this also and see if you can make the switch at some point, if the faculty doesn't mind me saying this. After all the hard work getting into Somaya, my God. Yeah, but really lots of talent. So please clap for all the people here. I know how much effort it takes to do something, just a small video, so really well done. But we have to give 3 people the prize, mainly because their parents have paid money to us. We'll start with number 3. Number 3 position, I hope I got it right, is... Nahi Baba. Dirty Little Secrets. Dirty Little Secrets. Right? Right, huh? Wrong? Third is not... It's worse than Bakra, I'm sorry. Audi car, BMW 7 Series, trip to Australia, and education in NYU for the rest of your family's life. Right? Oh, sorry, it's not that. It should be 1 red box. 2 red boxes. Prizes will be given tomorrow from whatever is left from today. This week. Okay, second place is, let me double check so I don't get a beaten up later. Up to sahi hai na? Okay, this time I swear, second place of promotion, Dirty Little Secrets. Dirty Little Secrets. So you come second, you get even more prizes later, all tomorrow, na? By which time all the faculty and the organizers would have left the college. And number 1, the winner, Kishore Kumar still rocks. Saamne ye kaun aaya? Dan, dan, dan. So, is a director or producer here? No? Okay, then why are we clapping here? Nobody is here, why are you giving them bow? Somebody else, whoever's here, take the first prize. MJ Tribute is here? You are now the new winners. Well done. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please enjoy. Tomorrow is the second day of the festival. Have fun. There will be more interesting people coming. And thank you for having us. And if you have 10 rupees left, go to the Welfare of Stray Dogs stall and buy something really cheap. Because it will help me on 2 levels. One is we're trying to help people stop killing animals and looking after our strays. And 2, I married a female dog, so it will be very interesting to do the right things. No, I'm just kidding. She's a lovely girl. Pomeranian. Okay. Okay, Somaya rocks. Have a good night.
Crack jokes like Cyrus, but I can dance. But thank you so much for supporting the welfare of stray dogs, and I don't want to again bore you with what we do and so on. And it was really great to see all of you. I mean, the work that you put into the videos. So thanks a lot.
I've just been told there are no prizes. Tomorrow there will be no prizes, but well done, and you'll get some marks in your report card or something. Thank you.
We have Sangeeta ma'am and Raina ma'am to give away to your mentors.
Sangeeta ma'am, you may not know this, but once in a play I played a lady called Sangeeta. But she was not as pretty as you, I have to tell you.
He's made me immortal sometime in his life. But we are really privileged. We have Cyrus and Abodh amongst us. Not only that they are doing a great job on screen and otherwise, but they are such great human beings. They're so passionate, they're so full of life and so modest above all. So they should be your inspiration for whatever you take up in your life. And then you should be able to meet success like them. There won't be any doubt about it. Thank you so much. We are really privileged and honored to have you.